Good morning. Morning. Hi y'all, welcome to a new GidiStays vlog. We are now at the Ikoyi apartments in one of the apartments where we just had a guest checking out, and I came here. They didn't clean yet, but I just came here to check up on some things. So this is what this apartment looks like. I will also link it in the description in case you want to check it out. Of course, she just left, so we need to clean everything, but she left it in a very good condition, so that is very nice. We also appreciate it when guests, of course, leave the apartment in good condition. I came here to check up on some things to see if everything is complete, cutlery and all those things, because sometimes you see that and not this guest, but overall you see after we had a few bookings that sometimes like a spoon or a fork is missing. Here, as you can see here, there is not much left, but also they still need to do the dishes. But I think that some spoons, I cannot imagine that everything is there, but some spoons and forks are missing, so I need to make sure to replace that. And also when it comes to the plates and the glasses and the mugs, like it's normal, sometimes things break and then we just need to replace them. But another thing I came to do is apply this product. So I don't know if I shared this with you before, probably in another vlog, I'm not sure, but we do our maintenance fumigation. So we have a calendar, so every so often we do a professional fumigation. So that is just a standard procedure that we do just to avoid having insects and stuff, because yeah, I mean that just happens. And then also after every checkout we also fleet the place. So we do our scheduled like big fumigation, and then in between checkouts we just fleet the place. But what you have here, because of this tropical climate, as you know, you just have, I don't know, you cannot always avoid small ants or the occasional cockroach walking in from outside or whatever. You can do whatever you want, but it still it can still happen, you know. These cockroaches, they just come from outside, they come inside, like it can happen. So what I also like to do, and I tried out this product, I've done some research before. Luckily I found a product very similar to what I have found online to be a great solution. And here I just found it in the supermarket, in one time in ShopRite. I didn't see it this time I found it at Prince Ebeano, but it is this cockroach killer. So basically, it has a serial killing effect and a long lasting effect. And I've tried it out, I've tested it. I told you, like last time in September, we stayed in the Locks one bed where we are staying now again at the courtyard for a month, and I tested it there because we had some small ants there in the kitchen. And what you do is like it comes in this syringe, and usually it should also come with a needle, but this time it didn't come with a needle. Sort of this poison, right, that you put dots in dark spaces, like where you can see like cockroaches, for example, or when it's like ants, you just put the small dots of the product wherever the ants are walking. You know, they always have like their whole pathway through, I don't know, where they're walking through to, or it's like small, maybe if there's small hole in the wall or close to the door or something. Anyway, you just put like small dots of this product, and then what will happen is like they will eat from it and then they will die. And the cockroaches, they will eat from it, and then usually they will go back home, so to say, or their nest or whatever, however you want to call it, and then they die there. And these cockroaches, they also eat each other. So what will happen is like you have like some sort of domino effect, right? So if one has eaten it, dies from it, the other ones will eat that cockroach, and then they will die. So anyway, long story short, so I have tried out this product. I can absolutely recommend. It doesn't cost that much. Just make sure you place it like in little crooks and crannies that you not per se get in touch with on a daily basis, and also of course not children, and if you have any pets you have to be careful. But yeah, I really like that product. So this is how we try to avoid having insects, and if you've been to Nigeria, you know how easily it can happen. Well, no one wants to see bugs. Before they're going to clean this place now that I'm here, I'm going to do that. I just did it in one apartment upstairs, and then I do the 2 apartments here downstairs. So yeah, because I think one of the apartments also had some small ants, so this product is absolutely perfect for that. So yeah, let's go. Unfortunately, somehow this packaging didn't come with a needle, so we're just going to manage it like this. But when you put a needle on it, like you can really get into all the crooks and crannies. I just opened the door of the fridge, and then I'm going to put some dots there and there. And this apartment you have seen before when they were working on it, when they were doing some maintenance, repainting the walls. And very cozy apartment, perfect for the solo traveler or a couple. You have your TV here, so you can still watch your favorite series or movies from the bed. Now here I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not seeing any small ants here. First of all, when I do this, I haven't seen any insects, so I'm just doing it as a maintenance. Yeah, I'm not seeing any. I'm not sure where the small ants were, but then again, sometimes guests do leave food items out, and yeah, you just cannot leave all kinds of food items out because the ants love that. But I don't see anything, but I'm just going to apply the product here beside the fridge here, kind of like under the washing machine, and then in the bathroom.
This is a blue